How are your energy levels, man?
They're all right. Yeah.
Had a lot of water in the morning?
Not a lot. To be honest, I don't think I ate anything. So
Alright. If you're doing a proper driving test then, do you think you'll be mentally alright?
yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Because a lot of the time I don't always have anything in the morning, and I'm got full energy during the day.
So it makes no difference, you think, the fasting for you? Personally?
Yeah, pretty
okay.
much.
Alright, fair enough.
Because when I was at school, I'd go the whole day without eating anything, and then when I get home about 4 o'clock-ish, then I'd eat.
Alright, fair enough. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can pass your driving test or get the best out of your driving test and driving lessons if you're fasting in the month of Ramadan. So when you're doing your driving lessons or your driving tests, there's two things that are going to affect your driving ability. One will be a lack of sleep, and the second obviously will be a lack of food, but most likely it's going to be the fact that you're going to be a bit thirsty, so a lack of water most likely. So yes, the food and the water can affect your focus. So let's give you a few tips in how to, make sure that you don't suffer from these problems when you're fasting and doing your driving test. When it comes to food, I would say make sure that you stack up on a lot of Weetabix, a lot of porridge, eggs and banana. These are energy releasing food, high in protein, high in fiber. So this will hopefully keep you going so that when you do have your driving test, you might be a bit more focused. Obviously, drink a lot of water in the morning. Now, we have to be strategic. We have to figure out what time is the driving test. So, for example, if the driving test is early morning, say between 8 to 9 to even 10 o'clock, and you're going to wake up at 4, 5 to eat, so you got about 4 or 5 hours gap to relax. So in that time, maybe try to get some sleep. So by 8, 9, 10 o'clock, you're going to be prepared. You should have enough food and water inside your system. The only problem might be if the test is at 8 or 7 or 9, you might have a lack of sleep. So I would personally say, if it was me and I woke up at 5 in the morning to eat, see if you can try and knock back to sleep. If you feel that you can't, then maybe have a cup of coffee and just be energized and stay up until the test arrives. So from 8, 9, maybe just stay up and then do the test. That'll be one strategy. Obviously, if you can knock out, if you can go to sleep, even better, and then wake up. And if your test is a bit later on during the day, so say 11, 12, 1, then definitely have the porridge and everything, and then try to get that sleep. So try to knock out after 5. So like I said, sun rises about 5ish, so you can't eat. Or so 4, about 4, 5, you can't eat then. So you can always after you've eaten, go to sleep. So you should be a bit energized. By 2, 3, that's when your body will need the water or the food, and that's when the food that you've eaten, the porridge, the banana, all that will hopefully give you enough energy to keep you going for the driving test. If you do feel like as the day progresses and you're feeling a bit lethargic, a bit lightheaded, maybe when you go to the driving test center, ask your instructor, can you get there 10 minutes early, and just basically just switch off, just relax, just sit down for a bit, recoup that energy, so that when you do your driving test, you hopefully be a little bit more focused. So those are some of the tips I'll give you. If you guys got any more tips, let me know, comment below. Don't forget to go to our site fmdriverschool.co.uk, as well as our channel FM Driving School, and subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Take care.